Welcome to Mickey and my craft. This is Hilda, your host. Good morning. How's everybody? Today we have a post review of some Paintsomeway promotional items that I have received. I'm gonna post the video of the unboxing of these on the iCard. But the first one, take a look at these beauties. Take a look at this, how beautiful they are. Sparkly and shiny. Look at the swirls, everything. So much detail. Take a look at this. Here they are. Look at the square beads. The square crystals. These look like luxury items. Take a look at this. I had daylight today. I've been filming on daylight. Take a look at this. Beautiful, beautiful. That's the first one. Here is the second one. Look at the crystals. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Take a look at this. And it was so much fun to do them because they look amazing. I mean, the crystals, they were good. There was some missing that thanks God I have leftovers, but you know, take a look at this. These look like luxury items, like something, I don't know, like a chandelier or something. Beautiful crystals. Everything and everything shines. Take a look at this. And the last one, in this one, that's where I was missing some of this. So thanks God I had them. I was missing like 14 of them. But take a look at this. How beautiful those crystal seals are. And not only that, the sparkle that they have. This is from Paintsomeway. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look at how they sparkle, the shine, and the beads, and the swirls, and the intricate detail that they have. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful canvases. We got 3. And you can pick up your favorite, although for me they all are beautiful. All of them are beautiful. Let me drink out a little bit of Coke. Diet Coke. But take a look at this. one more time. This is a series. I'm buying a series because sometimes they, you know, they're okay. They're better. But again, look at the shine, the sparkle on them. Number 1. This one is number 2. And number 3. Let me know in the comments below which one you like. This is Paintsomeway. These are promotional items. They're sending me the new company in my channel. I have videos over here. I'm gonna post the unboxing of this in the iCard and the other previous videos in the end cards at the end. But these are beautiful. You cannot deny this. These are gorgeous. Okay? Well, thank you for watching. This is it. Have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful week. Don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.